Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sagola 4600 Xtreme Gravity Spray Gun, the ultimate gun for the body shop professional. Let's start off by looking at the box. Nice black box with imagery of the orange gun itself. All the details of the actual model you've purchased on the side. On the back, a clear diagram of the gun showing some of the features and benefits of it. Another nice piece of artwork on the other side of the box. Time to open it up. As you open the box, you get a nice bird's eye view of the gun printed on the packaging, which I quite like. Let's take it out and have a look. First impressions, with its reduced weight at the front of the gun and the centre of gravity in the palm of your hand, it's a really nice, small, lightweight but comfortable gun to hold. It's definitely got a striking orange colour and a nice contrast between the controls of the gun. Nice ergonomically designed stainless steel smooth action trigger. Nice solid but accurate fluid and pattern controls. There are 5 fluid nozzles and 4 interchangeable air caps available for the 4600. Giving a total of 20 possible setups for this extremely versatile gun. We are unboxing a Titania Pro air cap, which has the highest level of atomization, ideal for clear coats and high gloss finishes. I'll quickly show the 4 air caps available with Sagola and what they are ideally used for. This particular gun has a 1.3 XL needle and nozzle, which is great for single stage applications. The Sagola 4600 Xtreme is small, lightweight and comfortable to use, offering fast and smooth application for a consistent high quality finish for the body shop professional. Also in the box comes a 650ml, 22 fluid ounce reusable plastic gravity cup, which feels very well made. The cup screws on nicely to the gun without any struggling to align it to the thread. With this being such a versatile gun, you could look at using a paint preparation system instead of a reusable hard cup. For example, you can check out our global cup system on the right. Now time to look at what else you get in the box. There's a minimal manual. Like most retail products now, all manuals and leaflets are online and can be accessed by scanning the QR codes or going to the website URLs on the pamphlet. A nice little brand sticker to stick to your gun case, trolley, workstation, or on your unsuspecting co-worker and friends. Pack of 3 colour code identifiers, perfect for identifying guns when there are multiple painters. Each gun comes with a red, blue and yellow. a nice cleaning brush, a wrench for removing and fitting the nozzle and for all servicing needs, key assembly for changing the air valve, a hand tightened airflow regulator, a mini product filter to go in the hard cup, and that is your lot. The Sagola 4600 Xtreme is available as a complete kit with the air cap, needle and nozzle specified, supplied and fitted. However, you can use these guns for multiple purposes depending on your requirements. As a recap, some facts about the 4600 Xtreme. It's available as a digital or non-digital, has precise flow measurement, plug and paint. You can leave the fan regulator fully open, set up the air pressure and paint away. It includes a 650ml reusable cup. It's available in 20 setups to suit your application need. It's ergonomically designed, handle and trigger gives it a great feel in the hand. This gun is definitely worth a try if you're looking for an all-rounder spray gun with consistent finish guaranteed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.